Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing crispy, cheesy tater tots in the Ninja Speedy. This is super easy. This could be a snack for you, for the kids. You could pair it with some cheeseburgers, with dinner. Oh, it's endless. I love them. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so real quick, I just want to show you what I'm using. So the first thing we've got obviously is tater tots. I'm using Orion. You can use any tater tots. It could be the store brand, whatever, it doesn't matter. I've tried them all. They'll still turn out crispy. I just like the Orion brand. Now we got cheese. So here I've got cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese mixture, but you can use all kinds of different cheese. So I've done this probably, 6-7 times. I've used Kraft Singles, I've used Velveeta, I've used Queso, I've used Provolone, all kinds of different stuff. And this, it's so easy that you can load these up too. I'll talk about that later, but this is how simple it is. Some tater tots, some cheese. Let's go ahead and go to the Ninja. All right, so here we are at the Ninja. So I just want to show you what we are using. Now we're going to set this up. Even it's not on or anything like that, but let's go ahead and open it up. And inside, we are going to be using the little roaster rack thing with the insert. That's it. And now we've got our golden tater tots. And you really don't want to overfill, but you just fill all the bottom up there. I'll show you here in just a second. In the round. That's perfect. Actually, I can fill a little more, but that's fine. So just like that. This is going to be so easy and so delicious. Close the top. We are going to turn the unit on. Now, we want to be over on the air fry side. Actually, get the camera down here just a little bit more. Maybe we can zoom in just a little bit. So yeah, so we got the rapid cook side over here, and then now we've got the air fry side. So we are going to use the air fry function. Our temperature, actually, we're going to bump it up to 400 degrees. Our time will be set at 15 minutes. We'll press start. This will take just 20 seconds maybe or something to preheat while it counts down, and we're good to go. But then we'll be back and take it to the next step. Alright guys, we are counting down for 15 minutes, so with 1 minute left, that means it's been for 14. We will open this thing up, and yeah, let's take a quick look. Those things are perfectly crispy and good to go. Now from here, actually I got some, just a salt shaker. Now you can add some seasoning if you want. I'm just going to add just a little bit of salt on top of these. You can add some Creole seasoning, some Tony, some whatever you want. And then from here, we've got our cheese. We're just going to go and put all kinds of cheese over the top of all these. And this is going to be phenomenal. Hey, cheese makes everything good. I don't know if you're not a cheese fan. Maybe use something else, but yes, perfect. There we go. We're going to close this. Give it about 30 seconds. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back, and it's been 35, 37 seconds or so, just like that, and oh yeah, cheesy, melty tots, so good. Do not go anywhere. I'm going to put them on a plate, try them, see you in a minute. Alright, so this is what we got. Some nice, cheesy, crispy tater tots. Oh my goodness, I'm going to take a bite. These are so good. There's some ranch, some ketchup, whatever kind of sauce you want. Pair these, just a snack like this or put them with something. Oh my God, these are so delicious. Don't go anywhere. I will meet you up top. All right, so we are finished with the cook. And I gotta say, how easy is that? Some tater tots. Now, with the cheese, you can do whatever you like as far as the cheese goes, but you can also make these loaded. I just literally seen a commercial yesterday. I think Taco Bell is doing some of the loaded tater tots or something like that. You do that. Put the the tater tots, get your cheese, maybe some sour cream, some salsa, some even meat on it. Who knows? You make loaded tater tots. But just an idea, a fun idea for the Ninja Speedy. just, you know, give it a shot, and then, you know, drop a comment, tell me what you think. But if you are new to my channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to give a thumbs up, drop that awesome comment, and with that being said, we'll catch you in the next cook. Thanks for watching.